Hey there guys, we're getting ready to make grilled pink lemonade. Yes, I did say grilled. And if you guys want to learn how to make all kinds of food and dishes, homemade, the easy and simple way, subscribe so you won't miss any videos and hit that bell so you'll get notified as soon as they're live. Welcome back to my channel everyone, and today we are going to be making grilled pink lemonade. I always like to use lemons that I've already started using, some that are cut, and like this one, I've used it to use the zest, so I grated the zest off of it. Still good lemon, so I'll just go ahead and slice it in half. You don't need to cut them up into small pieces because guess what? They're going on the grill. Okay, so we're outside and we're going to get these lemons grilled. They're already cut and in a bowl. As you can see, I have my meat out here, my ribs, so my grill is already nice and hot. We're going to use just one side of the grill because we don't want too hot of a grill. We want to get some good grill marks on there. It's going to make them nice and juicy. And just put them face down. You don't need to turn them or anything else. We're going to leave them on the grill for, maybe about 5 minutes. Okay guys, so we are back outside. I think it's been about 5 minutes. So we are just going to get ready and get these lemons off the grill. And you want to take them off the grill very gently. See how charred that is? That's what's going to bring out all the sweetness in the lemons, nice juicy lemons. You want to make sure that they're pretty charred. You want it to be burnt, but you do want the little charred on there. So when you're taking them off the grill, it's super important that you don't squeeze your tongs too much because they've been heated and charred. The juice will just run out. So you just want to make sure that you take them off very, very gently so that you won't waste any of that good, delicious juice that we're going to need for our lemonade. So now we've got those all off the grill. You can see they're nicely charred, and just take a peek at my meat right now. Oh, good grill marks. That's another video, so I'm getting off track here. We're going to go ahead and get these lemons inside so we can make our lemonade. Okay, so we are back inside now with our bowl of nicely grilled lemons for our grilled pink lemonade. We're going to put a little sugar in, just about a half of a cup. I don't like mine too sweet. You're going to have to adjust that sugar according to your own taste. But the sweetness of the lemons, for me, you don't need a ton of extra sweetness in there. And for all you keto people, you can easily switch just basic granulated sugar out for Swerve or even a liquid sweetener or whatever you want. We're just going to quickly go ahead and slice these up. I just like the presentation of having a lot of lemons in there. You don't have to cut them up any smaller, but I tend to cut all mine up, at least another quarter or so, just to get them in the jar looking really nice. And as we finish slicing these up, the next step is to get our lemonade into pink lemonade. And with that, we have hibiscus. These are hibiscus leaves, and you can pretty much get them at any health food store. Just want to put them in a tea infuser. And of course, like with anything else you're using to get a little color, the more you use, the deeper color you'll have. I like mine to be a very light pink, so I put maybe a teaspoon of hibiscus leaves in there, and then just put the tea infuser in there. And to it, we're going to add warm water, not cold water and not hot water. You want warm water because it's going to help to bring out the sweetness in it. And you just give it a quick stir. And then after you give it that quick stir, you want to make sure that you cover it really, really tight. And you want to let it sit for a little bit. It doesn't have to sit long to bring out that flavor, but just a little bit. And as you can see, we've got that great pink color. And the good thing about grilled pink lemonade is you can refill this jar 3 or 4 times and get that same great taste. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notified when we get our next video out.